China is locked in a historic flood crisis as a relentless wave of storms, including Typhoon Maysak, Typhoon Alida, and Super Typhoon Bavi, pummel the nation. Torrential downpours since early July have pushed over 600 rivers past dangerous thresholds, bursting dams, triggering flash floods, and forcing millions into emergency evacuations. Catastrophe struck Guangdong Guangxi when the Lulan Reservoir Dam violently breached, transforming city avenues into roaring rivers and upending the lives of over 55,000 residents. In Gansu province, deadly landslides buried communities, leaving at least 21 dead, while powerful tornadoes in Hubei flattened thousands of homes. Adding to the devastation, Super Typhoon Bavi carved a destructive 1,000-kilometer path deep into the mainland, inundating regions from the south to northeastern hubs like Jilin and Shenyang. In response, authorities activated top-level emergency responses, deploying over 8,000 rescue workers in Guangxi and opening urban disaster centers for public survival training. With an intensifying El Niño pattern fueling volatile weather, the National Climate Center of China warns the crisis is far from over. Meteorologists predict additional monster typhoons could soon detonate across the South China Sea and Northwest Pacific, threatening further catastrophe.